game. It's a rich thing.
What's up, guys? We're at my work. Probably won't film too much right now. Just because my battery's about to die and did not expect to film anything. But I got a package that I have it staying here. It's very cool. I want to show you guys. And then we got Green Chris here. He actually got his short throw shifter, hybrid racing, just like the one I got for my 6-speed, but for his SI. Ever since he moved in, we got a bunch of content with Chris now, so which is nice. Because you guys like seeing different stuff besides CLs. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys a few things. But first, I'll show you guys my package. Oof. So I got this over here. I'll put the link in the description. It's a carbon fiber glove box for Acura TL. I did not know they make this. I thought it was gonna be like one of those rare items, but I guess they currently still make it. Still rare, nobody has it too much. I'll probably talk about more of this in the rare video series I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, about 200 bucks ish. I'll give you the exact price right here, and the website's in the link in the description. Come check this guys out. And the company's right here as well. All right, we got Chris over here, struggling.
Turn it this way, right?
Yes. Wait, no. Yeah, which way? Counterclockwise.
This way, I'm going this way. Son.
Looks kind of funky, huh, with these springs? Huh?
Gotta miss all the fucking gears.
Hybrid racing. Short throw shifter install. How was it, Chris?
Fucking hate my car.
Here it goes.
Everything clip 10?
Yeah, on this side. Hey,
Archie gang.
Oh shit.
Nah, I'm gonna take this bitch off.
Everything's back together. Alright, let's do...
Flames?
I want to see you move the shifter.
Flames?
Did you already move it?
No, just side to side.
Alright, let's see your reaction to the shifter.
I'm not gonna be able to drive. Hold on.
Before you turn it on
I'll
though.
put the rolling.
You're not gonna turn the car on, right? Or
No, just wanna be in the driving position. For sure need this higher.
that's Nachi.
Fuck you.
Hitting the trim a little bit, huh? This one first. Barely. Alright, I'm gonna ride along with Chris over here and see if he could drive this. Alright. Alright, my reaction to the new tune. Chris new tune.
New tune that's
New tune Chris. With a short throw shifter. Let's see.
New tune that's beating almost every Civic SI, Asia, and that's facts.
Remember, there's a railroad track up there. Holy shit. Alright.
This is like balls right here. Like this is.
Set up. Super fast. Like, you say you don't gain horsepower, but I feel like you did.
What?
On this tune.
No, it has more. I'm pretty sure it's a better tune that is also. It did give a little bit more horsepower because of the headers. It's tuned with headers.
Just my reaction to help you guys be able to see it. We are not mounting anything yet. We're just gonna place it just to see. Holy shit, looks so good. There you go. Of course I have better light. I don't have my light right now on me, but oh my god, it looks so good. I don't know how this goes on. I think it needs to get glued on or something. So I'll pick this up in the morning. Alright, so guys, we're going to be going ahead and removing the glove box in order to glue it. I think the best way is to remove it, not to do it on. I'm pretty sure I could get it glued down a lot better. Alright, so I took all my stuff off. I'm going to go ahead and remove any tabs holding this on. So let's go ahead and pull this. Just like that. I think the only thing holding this on really is I think there's bottom bolts actually right. These clips, we're gonna remove these clips right here, and it's just a hook, and then there's screws. So let me go ahead and move this clip real quick. All right, just like that, and then we're gonna take out the 2 Phillips. Do the same for the other side over here. Alright, let's bring it back into the house now. Alright, here we are. We have it all off. This is going to be the best way to do it. We're probably going to be holding some tape in here. Using tape here to hold it down. And the glue I'm going to use, because they give me no glue or nothing, I'm going to use the one I use for the carbon fiber, no, the hydro dip cover lay I used to have. I have some glue. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use it everywhere. I'm probably going to put an X here. And then do all the edges and around here too. And just call it good with that. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the glue. This is the stuff right here. High strength silicone sealant is what they give me. Silbon is what we're going to be using. And then we're going to find some tape as well. Alright guys, I am using a wet rag and drying all of this right here. Get some of any Armor All and stuff like that off of it. Now we're going to go ahead and start applying the glue on here. You can see how see-through it is, but it is authentic carbon fiber. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and apply this glue. I'll show you guys once I have it on here. Alright guys, you can see this is all I put around there. I'm going to go ahead now and place it on this carefully. Next, I'm going to grab some tape and put it on some places to hold it down a little bit better. Alright guys, I have it taped up. Just this one edge was looking up, but I got it held down now. Everything else is perfect. Got it lined up as good as I can up there. Go ahead and have everything all taped up. I wish I could kind of press the middle down a little bit. I'll see if I can put tape, but if not, it's no worries. But it just has a little lip. But yeah, let's go ahead and I'll show you guys tomorrow morning. Alright guys, we are now back. It's the next day, and this basically sealed pretty good. This is not coming off unless you actually force it off. So we're ready to put this back in. Go ahead and put it in, just reverse order the screws in and get this back on. So I'll skip through this part. Alright, just like that is now on. The only thing I noticed is just right, this tiny gap is a little bit kind of overlapping just right here. It doesn't affect anything. Still open it. The clips are falling off over here. But yeah, it looks good though. I like it. Looks very nice. Oof. These are just little accidents that you probably would never see unless you actually pay attention. But yeah, so glad I got it. Let's go ahead and see what else we're gonna do today. I'm gonna take off the gas cap, setting my stuff off to get painted. My window visors, because these ones kind of sucky when I painted it. And I got an OEM sunroof, you saw in the junkyard video. I don't like them personally, but I'm gonna color match it and see if I like it that way. If not, then I'll probably sell it. But yeah, keep you guys tuned.